Hey everyone, so hi, yay, so right now I already got I'm so excited, I got my NYX Face Award box haul. And yeah, so yesterday I was waiting the whole day at home and it shipped to my mom's place. So lucky we live nearby, so yay, so I'm gonna unbox this. I'm so excited. Oh my god, yesterday the whole day I did a whole spring cleaning and I cannot wait. I'm so excited to see, the fabulous makeup from NYX, and you know that I love NYX so much. Yeah, I'm so looking forward. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let me cut this thing first. Okay, here it is. Okay, the time has come. Oh my god, I am very, very excited right now. And oh, we have the letter. Hey, good morning, Conchita. Congratulations on making it to the top 15. We hope that you're super excited for the next round. Drop date, gorgeous. Yeah, we are looking forward to see all the amazing looks that we are creating. As this is 100% voting round. Okay. We currently have 10,000. We hope to enjoy these products and hope you use them to create your look. Oh my god, oh my god guys, I'm like NYX. I am so looking forward. Like, I have not seen anything inside yet. This is just a pink paper here. We hope you enjoy this product and hopefully use them to create your look. Please tag all the lovely sponsors. Oh, definitely I'm gonna tag every sponsors. Okay, can't wait to meet on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. Wednesday. Okay, so papers aside. Okay. Ouch. Okay, now the time to reveal what's inside here. Okay, the box. Oh wow! Wow! Oh my god! So I have from Givenchy. Not Givenchy, it's Vichy. What's that? Let me check. So I have like minerals booster, like hydrochloric acid, hyalur. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce this. Yeah, but I had this. You can see. I don't know. This is how it goes, like that. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So next I have sponsors from Garnier. Okay, so what we have inside. Oh wow. So I have this, they have masks. Okay, I'm gonna read something. Hi, congratulations on reaching the top 15 NYX. Here's something from the Garnier Singapore team. Like, take care. Aww. So nice to have give you some message. Aww. Yes. What is this? Serum Mask Sakura White. Okay. Next. So we have from L'Oreal. Okay. Now we have this Colorista. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, I've seen this before. Yeah, this is like 12.90, something like that. Yeah. So I had this. Wait, hang on. Let me switch on. It's so dark. Give me a sec. Bam, bam, bam. I'm back. Okay. So you can see the spotlight coming from here. So I have this Colorista. You can see this is for a workshop. I don't know what this is for. Blonde, ombre, and highlight hair. So I had this. Okay, the thing is that I don't dye my hair. I love, I've been like dyeing my hair like since I was a teen. Oh, I have this thing. I have a lot of these, so the best shit ever. And I don't know, can I spray on my face using this? Girl, what is that? Oh, they have a note. But thank you, L'Oreal. Oh my god, I love this. I love this thing. And you know that I don't dye my hair. Dear Kimura, congrats on getting to the NY Face Award Top 15. We hope that you'll enjoy this color construct product. Hashtag do it your way. Hashtag do it your way and complete your look. Girl, I'm gonna use this as eyeshadow, girl. Yeah, I've done it before. The trick is there. Complete your look, but this is like so like 5 years ago, girl, the color. But I still love this turquoise, my favorite color anyway. But thank you, L'Oreal. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, we have a lot of like styrofoam inside here. And oh my god. Yeah, we have like okay, alright, I don't wanna mess my room. Now the time to reveal the makeup. Okay. First I have, okay, we have NYX. You can see this contour. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Oh, wow. Okay, what's next? So we have this puffer from NYX. Yay! I have puffer. Okay, yeah. So next, oh my god, this is the thing that I really want so much. It's the Total Control foundation from NYX. But what color is this? Yeah, I need color apa sebenarnya. Okay, now I go to the next one. So we have another one. Is this the same? For TDF 204. Alright, so I have two of these. Okay, this is not my color, but I don't know, maybe like highlight. Can this? Okay, let me see. They'll probably have my color. Okay, next we have. Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! I have these Total Control, and the color is Shell. The orange last, yeah. Okay. Oh, we have this. Oh my god, wow. NYX, I love you so much. This is the best shit ever. What else I have? Yeah, I had this Strictly Vinyl eyeliner, and it is so dark. Okay, let me lay out whatever it is first. I got the Strictly Vinyl lip gloss. That's it. Oh my god. Okay, so yay! I have lip pencil, lip pencil. I have um, glitters. I have my lip soft matte metallic. Two. I have, what is this? Vivid Bright. So I have Vivid Bright. You can see. Why is it cracking? So dry. So yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I have this vinyl again. All the colors are dark, warm colors, brown, and that's it. So let's do the review again on how. Yeah, so this is the empty one. So from this huge box. Guys, that's it. Where are my color palettes? Oh my god, I want that highlighter. Oh my god, I've been doing. Oh. Girl. Okay, nonetheless. Okay, I don't want to be shady or whatever it is, but this is the gift that I got, and oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, thank you Garnier, Vichy, and L'Oreal. Very fabulous gift, thank you. And not forgetting NYX. Yay, thank you so much. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 8, wait, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 items from NYX for the next challenge. Dropped it, girl. I don't know how to react this. Oh my god, I don't want to be shady. Oh my god. Okay, but still, okay. I love this thing. Yeah, this is. I love makeup nonetheless. Just that, girl, this makeup is like girl working from like 9 to 5. It's like brown and pink. Girl, which part of this is gorgeous? Oh my god. Babe, can I just exchange these? This is not even my skin tone. I can't even use this for my highlights, girl. And I have so much glitter. And this, how much is this? Oh my god. I need to stop this video. Alright, I'm back. You know, no matter what it is, life goes on. And we see what we can do. Alright, let's open up this thing. Okay, I really want to see these contours all. So, oh my god. Yes, I need a contour palette. Because I don't have any contour palette. Oh my god, let's open this thing up. Girl, it's a crack. Oh my god. Girl, so I have this. And you can see what happened to the makeup. Okay. Nah, dia. Okay, I have this and okay, I want to see this total control. So excited. Oh, okay, so it's still fresh. I don't want to open anything first. I don't want to touch anything because yeah, this is not my skin color, so I don't use this. I don't use this. Yeah, it so sucks. This thing that I don't want to give to people. I want to have my own. Okay, this is definitely not my colors. So this is definitely not my colors. So if you guys have like, you know, my skin tone and this is your skin tone, so what's the color again? This is, yeah, you can exchange with me. And same thing with the, oh my god, yep, same thing with the total control. This is shell. I don't know if you can see this shell. Yep. Okay, so I have that 1, 2, 3, the puffer, and yep, that's about it. The rest is all the strictly vinyls. I have Hazy, Dauntless, Chrome, and Aliens. Yep, 4 colors. They are dark colors. I need colors, I need bright colors because my life is so much full of rainbows and unicorns. Okay, but when I ladies, thank you so much NYX, you know, for giving us this makeup box. One second. Girl, oh my god, next. You know, we need to save the earth, you know. I can pack everything all one into a paper bag like this, you see. So, yeah, we need to save the earth, okay? This huge box and this. Girl, nah. Okay, so next time if you guys want to like give some gift, my feedback is give a paper bag. Save the earth, save the tree. Okay, so yay, so that's about it. Thank you so much. So that is the review of the NYX box haul 2018 top 15 Singapore, and I'm so happy to be on the top 15, and I'm so excited to start my work for the next look. Drop dead gorgeous, but the look of it, yeah, girl, I just dropped dead and looking at this girl. I'm like, peace out, Kamara.